I have two micro bags in my collection right now, and I blame this on the Luxies from the Luxury Live show because, oh my gosh, I went down a rabbit hole after one of our member-only lives because that was so fun and it just suddenly made sense on why we need micro bags, nano bags. So in this video, I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. I know they're not like bags, they're sort of like SLGs, but I'm gonna show you what fits inside these two bags because oh my goodness, I have been using this Fendi Nano Baguette as well as this flat coin bag. I believe that's what it's called in the Chanel website so much. And I'll also give you a little bit of a story on how I managed to get this because this was actually from the past season. And I have 3 packages to open and I really want to open this first. So what I'll do is I'll put timestamps in the description section so that you can skip this unboxing, I guess, and then go straight into the nano bags. But I want to open this because 2 of these are actually gifts from Subbie, and this is something that I bought from a really amazing Instagram friend, and she also owns her own shop. So I thought I'll do this because I want to be respectful. People gave me something and I'm really excited. And then, we'll come into the what's in my bag for this. So thank you, you know who you are. You sent me this to my PO box and oh my gosh, I am so late to pick it up. The reason is because the PO box is not really near my place, and to make a trip there, I do it once in a while. And then with the whole lockdown in Singapore, or semi-lockdown in Singapore, I don't go there so often. But when I went there the first time, they weren't open, and then I went there again the second time, and then they don't know where they put it, they couldn't find the card, and then I said, okay, you know what, it's taking too long. And I went there again over the weekend and I was like, yes, give it to me. So I apologize that it took so long, that yes, it arrived. I know you were probably worried, like, did this thing arrive? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Wait, let me just... Gosh, this came all the way from the UK. Ah, Selfridges! I'm gonna read the card first. Thank you, babe. Oh my gosh, look at this card. It's just so beautiful. Megan Hess. And she gave me these notebooks. They're so beautiful. Let me just open it now. This is Tiffany. Love notebooks. I'm still a person who loves to write. I'm good with digital, but I still like to write my notes. And oh my gosh, I love. Let me see the other one. Oh, this is Dior. This is Chanel, Coco Chanel, and then this is Elizabeth. This is Elizabeth Taylor. Can't put it back, but I'm such a nerd. I'm gonna keep it. And then she also gave this. This is, oh my gosh. Wow. It's a pouch. And it's the color yellow. In her card, she said, manifest my Jean Ombre K25. So this is the yellow. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Yes, definitely manifesting it. At the back with the yellow. I also got another package here and I actually don't know what this is. So let me just open it now. What's this? Oh my gosh, thank you, babe. The number 5 shower gels. These are like the little studs, like the little, oh my god, I'm gonna grab my Birkin, wait. And these are little like coverings for the bottom, for the feet. Wow, that, oh man, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I'm gonna use one and I'm gonna keep the rest for some holiday. Last package, this is from a company called Maevery, and I purchased this myself. They were having a 50% sale on their site and I decided I want to get this because I've been wanting to buy something from Stella, and that's the owner of the company. She participates in our Luxury Live show and she's also a big supporter, so thank you, Stella, for getting this to me. I am so excited. I know what it is, of course. This is the thank you card from Maevery. I'm gonna link her Instagram as well as the website for this. And the Luxury Live show, we have an ongoing discount code, so I'll put that discount code right here. You can go and check it out. Beautiful jewelry. You know what's the amazing thing about this jewelry company? It was born out during the pandemic. That is just, to me, insane. Everybody during the pandemic is sort of like, but there they were working so hard to start up a small jewelry company, Stella and her partner. I've seen so many people wear this and I am, oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Freshwater pearl necklace. So let me wear it now. This is one of their best sellers and it was a 50% discount, and then I got, you know, more like 15% additional off my our discount code. And I had to get the bracelet. Look at that, it's beautiful. Wow, look at that. Did I buy that? Hey, I didn't buy that. Did I buy that? I'm kind of losing track. What did I buy? No, she gave me one. Oh my gosh. Look at these little stars. Oh, I've got to wear them now. I've got one star here, so let me just take that out. Oh, I love it. Girl, thank you. This is honestly such a lovely surprise. They are such an amazing company. Thank you again to my subbies, and thank you Maevery for the surprise on the earrings. So thank you, and look at them. Make sure you go and check them out. This Let's start off with my Nano Baguette from Fendi. Now this is actually a charm, so you've got a little hook here and it has a snap closure. So this is 18 cards and it can fit easily into the entire wallet. I've got 18 cards inside here and it fits easily. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit more realistic. Say I'm gonna carry a few cards to go out. This little bag packs a punch. Pack this little guy up and let me just show you what I've got inside. So a snap closure. What I've done is I have taken out a few keys from my house. Then I've put about 4 cards, and what I like about it, it's got a slip compartment here, so I can actually sort of put my cards within that slip compartment and use the main compartment to put my other things. So I've got a small little hand sanitizer, little tiny one that fits. I've got a lipstick at the bottom, and then just my cards inside. So 4 items, my set of keys, a hand sanitizer, and my lipstick or something else, and just my cards. I'm good enough to go. I've been using this little bag every time I go out for groceries, because when I go for groceries, I don't need anything but a few cards, my credit card, my ATM card, obviously my house keys, which I do take out, and maybe my AirPods. So what I'll do is I'll put my AirPods here. I'll take my card, fold up my cash, put it at the back, take my keys, and put it inside. If I have my car fob, I'll also put it there, and it fits just enough, and I can go out. I don't need anything else. Because a lot of the shops nowadays, they do have hand sanitizers, and then if I need to buy tissue, or need some tissue, I just stuff it in my pocket. And this has been amazing. So it has a detachable strap. And honestly, this strap isn't like the most secure. It's quite thin. It's mainly for decorative purposes. So what got me to really consider buying this is that when I was in the store and I tried it on, I thought, oh, this strap is a little flimsy. Yeah, it's great, you know, but does it really work? What if somebody just pulls it off? You know what changed my mind? Wearing this, like a little bag like this. Obviously, I'm not wearing that kind of pants right now. Because I wear a lot of jean shorts, I just hook this little piece here to the belt buckle on my jean shorts. And the strap just looks as if it's an accessory, so it makes it look like a bag, but actually this whole little nano bag is secured on my jean shorts. Or jeans if you wear jeans, or at your belt. It just felt so right to have a little bag chime that is very secured along my body as I go out for shopping. I didn't have to worry, like, you know, if somebody pulled it and it slips off, or something, you know, maybe I snag it and it drops off. I didn't have to worry about that because actually it was very secure at my pants. That did it for me for this bag, and honestly, it has been so good to just go out the house with practically nothing. I felt so free. I didn't have any bags. I had just little thing that really is so cute. One more thing that makes this bag really good and has a little bit of an edge over the Chanel, which I'll show later, is that when I close this flap, you can see that there's not much of a gap between the pouch and the flap. So when I use cash, I do get change, like coins, and obviously I don't have my pockets, so I don't put it in my pocket, I put it inside this little bag. The good thing is the hole is not big enough for my coins to come out. So it's actually quite secure if you have smaller items. As long as you don't tip it over or shake it really hard, actually the coins don't come out, especially if they fall at the bottom. So I'm going to talk about that as compared to this, but obviously there's pros and cons. This is a little bit smaller. So that's what it can fit inside this little nano bag. Let's go into the Chanel. Before I show you what fits inside the Chanel, you can see from the front view, the Chanel bag is almost 1.5 inches taller. In terms of the width, they're actually pretty similar, except that this bag actually has a little bit more because the top flap opens wider. So, you know, I mean, obviously I'm comparing little bags, but actually it makes a bit of a difference. This little bag is actually from a 21A collection. I did an unboxing of this bag with the members on an exclusive video. So I decided not to do an unboxing in this video, but just to show you what fits inside. Similar to the Fendi, it has a snap closure. It is lambskin and it does not have a detachable strap. So this strap is actually stuck on the two kind of like D-rings here. Compared to the Fendi, this strap is much more substantial and it just feels more secure as a little bag, whereas the Fendi feels more secure as a charm. So this bag is just one compartment. Fendi has a little slip compartment. This doesn't have, which I kind of wish it did, so it gives a bit of separation in terms of compartments, but it is small enough for me to manage. So let me just show you what fits inside this little bag. I have 18 cards inside here and it fits very easily. As you can see, there's so much space left to the side, to the front, to the back. And let me just show you what you could do with these cards. Because it has more height, I can actually put the cards up vertically and easily close the bag. You can see the cards from the side here. So because of that, this bag does have a bit more capacity. Compared to the Fendi, things had to be laid horizontally and you had to stack things over each other. Whereas for this, I could put my cards here. I still have space, my little hand sanitizer, my lipstick, and I can close this easily. Oh, wait. Yeah, I can close this easily and I still have space to put more things inside. So this is definitely a bigger size little bag compared to the Fendi, but of course, you know, in terms of pricing, it is much more expensive. I packed this little bag quite full. You probably can't see it from the screen, but it has stretched out quite a bit. I could probably put a little bit more because the flap is kind of like bigger. I can actually put a lot more things and it's not much, it doesn't feel like it's a lot of tension. But let me show you what I have put inside this bag. I have my entire 6 keyring card holder. You can see that it's actually even sort of like folding up. It would take up a lot of space in a little bag. I have 6 cards that I slip at the side, and at the bottom I have a little lipstick. So I could actually put even one more thing inside, but let's not do that in my bag. It can fit a lot, and I think it's because it's lambskin and the flap has more kind of like give to it. It's got that space. Compared to this, it is actually just nice. If you don't have a 6 keyring holder, or you're okay to take out your card fob and your keys, you can actually put so much more in this little bag. So I'm gonna put another set of things. I have really packed this, so let me just show you what I've put inside just for YouTube. Okay, let's take a look. I have 2 MAC lipsticks, my little hand sanitizer, I have my Apple AirPod, I think these are the Pros. I have, again, 6 cards. I have a set of keys at the bottom. This is a tiny bag that you can actually use to go out for the whole day and be absolutely comfortable. I am so glad that my essay managed to find one for me. It was really by luck. I wasn't looking out for it. I sort of just mentioned it to her. And I just said, you know what, if it comes, she was like, oh, we'll see, because it was last season. And suddenly she's like, messaged me almost a week later. She's like, oh my gosh, you would not believe there's one piece. Do you want it? I was like, bring it out. Let me just finish sharing about coins. So in these kind of bags, if you have cash, you're not just using cards, you have like, you know, cash and you will find change. With coins, you got to be a bit careful because if you put it underneath, and what I've realized is that if I don't have a lot of things in the bag, say I've only got maybe my AirPods, I've got a couple cards and things are rolling inside. There was one day, I think I was sitting in the cab and my bag sort of tipped over. and the coins fell out. So as compared to the Fendi, that never happened to me. My little baggie is like swinging all over. The coins never came out. But with this, because I didn't have a lot of things stuffed inside, the coins do slip out from the opening here because it is higher, which allows me to put things vertically. But because of that, coins are not advisable unless you have maybe kind of like a little bag or something to contain your coins in. The best is don't use coins, just use everything digital like cash, but sorry, digital like cards. But if you do have cash and you will get change in coins, either put it in your pocket or at least have something to keep inside this bag. So that's a quick what's in my bag for these two cuties. I am converted to these micro bags. Not too micro, we can't do like bags that are this size that can't fit your card, can't be functional enough. These are actually very functional for running errands, for even going out for a couple of hours, you know, to the mall, that you don't really need to bring a lot of things, just your essentials. I love them so much. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are also into the micro bag trend and you're actually thinking about getting some of these. Let me know which one are you thinking about getting, or do you have any of them? Let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, everybody, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody, please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!